Look at this amazing ponytail hairstyle transformation. Wow, the hairstylist that did this particular hairstyle did a perfect job, and they added curls extension to the tips to make it look stylish. Before I forget, hi guys, welcome to the channel. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. It's your girl Forever Beauty World, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please hit on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. And again, to my returning subscribers, please give this video a thumbs up, like, and comment and share at the same time. In this particular video, you'll be seeing so many hairstyle tutorials and so many hairstyle transformation, ranging from ponytails, stylish Fulani braids, twist, and so many of them. So guys, what do you think about this particular one you're seeing on the screen right now? Because this particular one is actually a stitch braid hairstyle transformation, and the fact that the particular hairstylist that did this hairstyle was able to put a beautiful and a stylish, I don't even know how to put it, but you see all these hairstylists that are making hairs now, they are actually talented because they make all these simple hairstyles to look like a work of art, and the way it used to come out very beautiful is something else. Look at this particular one now. The hairstylist is actually doing a flower design on it, and it's mind blowing. Like, it will take you time and patience in order for you to achieve this particular one. Have you tried out any of the stitch braid hairstyle? That is the stylish one, not just the simple stitch braid hairstyle. If you have tried it, let us know in the comment section. Or if you'll be trying out any of this one that you're seeing on the screen right now, let us know too on the comment section. This particular one too is a stitch braid hairstyle, and the hairstylist is actually sectioning it with comb. This one you need patience, like, in order to achieve it, in order to make it look beautiful, because if you are in a haste or if you are rushing, my dear, the braids won't come out on it. Like, if I'm to suggest, if you have watched this video to this extent and you're yet to share out this video, I don't know, what are you waiting for? Please click on the share button to share out this video. Sharing video, leaving a comment, liking and subscribing is actually free. Tell me too if you'll be trying out any of this beautiful hairstyle that you are seeing on the screen right now. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.